So wave filter can be found here on the filter, distortion, and lastly wave. This is our rectangle with the wave filter applied. Amplitude controls the peak of your wave. Wavelength controls the wave. Set just animate or moves the wave filter from negative to positive. Let's reset that one. So vertical, currently we have the vertical, so that just like this, vertical, and if you uncheck that, we will have the horizontal wave. So mix, this just turn on and turn off. So let's check again vertical. You can see there's something wrong with the wave filter. We really cannot see the peak of our rectangle. To solve this, what we need to do is change some settings. On our main group, go to the main group, then select Fix Resolution. Let's move this wave filter to the group itself. You can see we can now see the peak of our wave filter, which is the amplitude, and it takes the bounding box issue earlier. So offset, you can animate this using a ramp or rate. For this example, I'm gonna use a rate, then 5. Let's go back to our wave. Our wave now moves from left to right. You can also apply your wave to an image, for example, just like this one. So as you can see, we have a simple wave on our image. Earlier, I've talked about the repeat edge, which will be handy on this time because as you can see, our image has some broken space in here. So if we turn on the repeat edge, it will cover up that holes for us.